All right, Code Tycoon. We got it's developed and published by Hendrik Minnan. And let me get Dark Lord, welcome in. Appreciate the lurk. Let me get the demo link here. This one fascinated me just because of the UI, and I messed with basic and assembly in college, so I was like, kind of itches the brain a little bit there on the coding side. Build your software empire. It is a software company. It's set in the 1980s. Take on projects, features, squash bugs before the deadline hits. Demo covers in-game years of 1980 to 1982. Let's see here. Oh no. Company name. These nuts. No, actually, not these nuts. You know, I haven't used it in a while. What? What'd you do? I love my life. Roadman, welcome in, sir. How are you doing? Hope the Mario Party is going well for you. Company name. Yes, we were getting to the company name. I haven't used it in a while. It's from the D&D group that I was in. But surely, yeah, the company name is just going to come naturally to us. It's just going to come naturally. So, and the story behind it, it's a long story, but it's actually short. We're trying to come up with the name for a boat that we bought. And I was like, guys, the name it's just going to come to us naturally. Let's just get on with the adventure. So we named it the SS Come Naturally. So, lore. Oh. Whoa, wait. You can't just leave me off with that song. What was that? Is that the radio? That wasn't the radio. That wasn't the radio. Whoa. I dig the music. Love it. It's I mean it can be deep enough. You just need the muck boots for it. But we had the boat for like 5 sessions and then we lost it. So it is what it is, you know. All right, build your own software empire starting in the 1980s. The game is currently paused so you can read along at your own pace. You can restart the tutorial at any time in the settings. Balance and reputation. All right. Shows your current date, balance, and rep. You need money for employees, languages, and office upgrades. Reputation rises when you deliver quality projects on time and drops for buggy or late deliveries. You need a certain reputation level to upgrade your office. All right. We got speed 0 to pause, 1, 2, 3 to set speed. Cool. Click the highlighted projects. All right, click. Okay. Accept the first project. Pick a project that uses basic. You know, in the style of things, we're gonna go with the computer game. I think it fits. Just because we have a longer deadline too. So we're gonna do that. Click development at the top. Oh, one moment.
As Erky set forth the Gwitty.
Whoa, retro. Sir. Yeah. Let's run that back.
As Erky set forth into the indie domain, his power level was matched only by his desire to literally hit the Gwitty.
Hey, welcome in again, retro. Welcome in, Chicken Star. First time chat, welcome in. I'm doing all right, not too bad. We played through. Oh, hold on. We played through the demo of Dice Gun Commando a little bit ago. Let me get the store page linked for Dice Gun Commando. We had St. Kerrigan in here. They're the developer of Dice Gun Commando. And it's still in here. Yeah, it's a stealthy, it's a Valkyrie. Welcome in, everybody. Yeah. Let me get the game linked for Kerrigan here. So go check that game out. Very fun demo. You got a couple of guns accessible in the demo. dice effect. The guns roll dice for the damage, and then the dice can activate mods on the guns. It's pretty cool mechanics. Let's see, catching up with the chat here as I go back down. What different games do I play, Chicken Star? So normally I play a variety of games. Currently right now, Mondays are my charity streams. I'm playing one game, one PS1 title for every letter of the alphabet in raising money for St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital. And then we play a variety of RPGs, MMOs, horror games, stuff like that. Country from the United States of America. I play Fortnite from time to time. I normally might normally be playing it off stream though. But I play it from time to time. Valkyrie, the good old US of A. There were Charlies in chat. Hope and Charlie is doing fantastic tonight. Oh, you live in Denmark. Heck yeah, chicken. Oh, there is, wait a minute. Is it Denmark? I can't remember. I have, there's two friends I have. It might be Norway I think they're from Norway. Yeah, I'm thinking about it, because I mean, it's got no bearing on anything. I was just trying to remember where Nova and oh, they were so sweet. I know them from streamer I watch that plays Tarkov. I met them in his chat. They're both from, I think they're both from Norway. They're so sweet. They would always post pictures of the landscapes, and I'd be like, y'all need to quit, because I'll be getting myself on a plane and going out there. This is a beautiful landscape. Just in general, that whole portion of like Denmark and over, beautiful. I did see the news. What took so long on that? Z, you beat, wait, how did I miss that? Where is it? You beat the Chomper of the Red in Mario Party? Clips or it never happened. I'm kidding. Clips or it never happened. There's probably a clip. Oh, oh, that's right, because the I remember the shipping. Yeah, I remember the shipping problems. I'm glad to hear that it's being sent on its way back. I'm glad that that's happening.
He took out his hip flask when he reached the page that described how he reached the page that made him take out his hip flask.
Mario style. Did Rope Man take his shoes off? Did he retire like Brock Lesnar? Did Rope Man throw the X up saying that he was retired from Mario Party after that? Actually took less than a week. It actually took less than a week from when I sent it out. That's good. I've never messed with, well, the only time I had a pre-built PC was from iBuyPower. And it was through Walmart. Walmart had a really weird sponsorship with iBuyPower where they were selling PCs. So I got it like discounted being an employee.
He took out his hip flask when he reached the page that described how he reached the page that made him take out his hip flask.
Thank you, Chicken Star, for my well-being here. I seen your water bottle and for a second I thought,
what's that mouth do?
He took out his hip flask when he reached the page that described how he reached the page that made him take out his hip flask.
For a second, I thought you were spitting chewing tobacco in there, and I was gonna say you've gone full. Got that dang old country, man. That dang old country. I get in there. Click, 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 click. All right. So, Code Tycoon, again, for everyone that's rolled in. Let me double. I'll put again Dice Gun Commando in here so we don't forget. It was the first demo. Make sure you guys go check out the Steam page for Dice Gun Commando. What we're playing now, we're playing a demo for a game called Code Tycoon. It is by developer and publisher Hendrik Menon, who I learned is in Germany. So time zones were a pain, but again, every game that we're playing tonight will be cut out, gutted if you will, and put as separate individual videos to a playlist on YouTube for an indie showcase. So like all the games that were on the Twitter post, I will be getting to them the best I can, and they will go there archived, so everyone has access to them instead of looking through the VODs. So, Code Tycoon, we are creating a software company in the 80s. The demo is only running 2 years. The other game that we're playing is going to be Hellbound Inc., and it is a platformer. It's very cute and fun. So now we got to switch to the development tab. We started development of a computer game. So now we're here. The Kanban board. Each project has a board with 4 columns: the backlog, in progress, testing, and done. Features start in the backlog. You need to drag them to in progress to start working on them. So let's click planning. All right. Nothing sounds like a computer game without level design, game logic, high scores, save, and sound systems. Oh my. Ah! Just throw everything on there. Throw it all. Also, our company name, everybody, is the Come Naturally, because sooner or later the company's actual name will come to us naturally. So, languages. More languages equals more project variety, higher income.
New audio tech, I guess.
What's up, Okada?
I pressed the wrong button. I'm so sorry! Bitch.
Okay. Thank you, Okada. Check which... Wait. Wait. There's no employees. Client, wait. What? Wait. Office? Oh God, Apple. Okada is so awesome. The music is getting me like in the zone here. Okay. I don't see employees. Okay, I know. It's a lot of bugs. Oh no, wait, what? We're not going to be able to finish this in time. I did see the table spot on Solruka. Yeah. That's rough. I really do hope that she's okay. Like I really hope that she missed the second table, but from looking at like the slow motions, she kind of ping-ponged. So hopefully everything's okay. Oh my God. So many bugs. Ping pong, yes! Solruka ping ponged off of the table. I mean, a better way would have just said bounced, but ping ponged sound pretty cool. Okay. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay. So, okay, he's got global, similar, and basic. So we're gonna get that taken care of. Oh, we don't need to train. We don't need to do training right now. We got a project. Oh shoot, I grabbed the okay, we're gonna deliver. We're gonna fill. Enjoying the demo. Yeah, make sure y'all add Code Tycoon if this, and look, like I mentioned with the previous game and like before we started the stream, there's going to be games that probably aren't going to be anybody's fancy, or you know, like someone's fancy and another's, you know, not. Indie titles are still indie titles, y'all. Make sure you go check out the indie devs, support them, wishlist the game, give them a follow. Oh my god, so many bugs. Z, get your bugs in line here. There's so many of them. Pop a bug. So many of them. Mini. Oh no, is that the Keto screaming in there? Shoot. All right, let's get this. Deliver. Okay, so that was really hard the last time. Let's try it. Fuck it, we ball. What do you mean team? Okay, we got basic level 2. Here we go. Yep, so we got a 4-year-old and a 2-year-old, so we're having a blast. It's just chaos. I'm a chaos fuck, what do they call it? A chaos coordinator at the moment. Oh, well, we went into bankruptcy. Shit. I wasn't even paying attention to the I wasn't paying attention to the funds. Okay. No employees yet. Pooey. Let's go for low risk, low reward. There we go. We got assembler, basic. Oh man. Ruby. Air conditioning. Wait a minute. We're not going to be able to get any of this stuff going. Oh, wait, ready. I was just worried about the bugs. There we go. We got it all figured out. Accounting software. Look, a few bugs didn't hurt anybody. Said no software developer ever. Right. Okay. Let's get this taken care of here. Be surprised how many bugs I let ship and dice game commander demo is more common than you think. It's true. There's not always enough time. That is true. Monthly expense. Oh shit. There we go. Just toss those on the back end. I think there was one. Oh, I can't remember the name of it, but it was like it wouldn't even load at all on the system. But then when I got it to work, like the frame, I can't remember. I don't want to like bring up like or name it or whatever. I can't even remember the name of it. It's been like, God, it's been a couple of years. But demo access for games on Steam has come a long way since like the Steam Greenlight days were the Wild West. That was the wildest time on Steam for like pre-early, way before the early access came to be on Steam. It was Greenlight. My God. So many games. It was a wild time. Okay, do I have okay, I can get employees. Almost 10,000 a month. Brother, you're a senior dev. Okay. Let's wait. Is my person's name Dirk Peter? Oh, no, Dirk Peters is the employee. Dirk Peters. What's next? Mike Hunt? Let's do this one just to see like oh, assembler. Yeah. Ay, ay, ay. There. Z caught it. Jenna. We're in the process of hiring new employees. This one's, her name is Jenna. I won't go farther than that. Y'all can, if y'all don't know that one, then whoopsie. All right, so those features, improved performance in the category. All right, so we're training him on basic. Assembler. Oh my. Okay. Oh my goodness. Come on, Dirk. Don't fail me now, Dirk. The company will fail if you fail, Dirk. Come on, Dirk. So many critical bugs. Oh my god. That was intense. Oh, a similar computer game. Okay. So the contract for accounting software expired. What do they mean? Not a single basic. Frameworks, quite a few frameworks. Not available yet though. Remember, majority of the stuff, more than likely, probably not going to be in the demo at the current moment, but still good to see like the layout, the skeleton. What we got working here. Game goals. Progress through all 4 eras of software development. All the way to the tens. That's cool. Successful software company through the 80s to the 10s. Competitors. God. I could just see like the wait, we're ranked number 6. We only have 1 employee. Maybe it just does come naturally. I don't know, but marketing. Small office. Yeah, we don't have enough. We don't have enough funds at the moment. We're running at a loss. Thank you for stopping in, St. Kerrigan. You have a good night. Yes, I'll probably play, you know, a lot of the demos that we'll be playing on Wednesdays too. I'll probably also be playing on stream as well in the near future as well, including Dice Gun Commando. That's a fun game. I will get sucked into that demo, and I'll probably end up with hours. I don't know where. Again, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Everyone, St. Kerrigan, again, he's the developer of Dice Gun Commando. Make sure you follow him on the tweets, the X's. Follow the wishlist Dice Gun Commando on Steam. I'm gonna get this right the first time. Where was it? Jantho 1990 on Twitter. Jantho. Let me make sure I have the right one here. Yes, Jantho 1990. Oh, pause. We almost went into the following month at another loss. You guys have been hitting it up in the Pokemon scene with champions lately. Good job on you and Fidzy. Oh, it's basic. Oh, we're not going to be doing much here. If and when, because well, it's not. I wouldn't say it's a matter of if. I think it's just a matter of when. For an upgrade to a 2. Because there's just no. For me, at least, there's just not a reason for the Switch 2. But Wind and Wave is looking pretty cool. I'm excited to see more info on Wind and Wave to come out. We're getting all of these small, minute contracts. He's barely satisfied. It's the air conditioning, isn't it? But it's the air conditioning. He's like, I gotta work in this fucking garage with this sweaty nerd. Unsatisfied. We're only at May. I just realized that we're only at May. the wild thing. Okay. This almost went through without any, like, bugs. Wow. Okay, we got someone for basic. Complete 10 projects. Now that we have 2 guys working, we can run them both back to back. Contract offer for report generator. That was sent in overdue. Okay. Oh, we got some new stuff in. Okay. All right, let's look here. This one's probably going to be our best bet because we are desperate for money. We're going to do accounting software, scientific computing. Oh my god, so many bugs. So many bugs. We're definitely running them at low amount because they're still in testing. Right. Oh, I did need to check something. Oh, beans. Okay. There we go. Oh. Okay. I want to see if we can at least make it to the end of the year, which I think we can. I think we can. We just gotta get the right contracts going here. Promoted to developer. Oh my god, so many bugs. Oh. Well, you know, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. We made it. Made it a lot farther than we did at the beginning of the playthrough. I will say that. All right, everybody. That be the demo for Code Tycoon. Again, it is being developed and published by Hendrik Minden. He's a German game developer. There's a lot. I noticed a lot of German words in there, so but I knew ahead of time where he was located at. So, very fun game. I need to get a hang of the money. My god, I saw a company going bankrupt. Unbelievable. But some things on the store page for this. Again, the demo itself, you have between the years of 80 and 82, and it gives you a taste of the core gameplay. The full game is set to go through over 40 years of programming history into the 2020s, with 20 plus languages, increasing complex projects, growing team, and of course bonus payments for delivering on time.